Episode: Learn English in Just 1 Month, a Beginner's Guide.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast.
We are here as your hosts Emma and Jack.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Express, the podcast where we bring you fast and practical tips to boost your English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Today we're tackling a big one. How can someone learn English in just 1 month? Sounds impossible. Well, we've got a plan.
That's right. Let's be honest, you won't be fluent in 1 month, but if you follow the right steps, you can build a strong foundation. And that's what we'll show you, step by step.
So let's jump in. Step 1. Immerse yourself in English. Make it part of your life. Change your phone's language to English. Listen to English music. Watch simple English shows every day.
Great tip. Step 2. Speak every day, even if you're just talking to yourself. Practice simple sentences like I am eating or this is my book. Use voice notes or even AI apps to help correct you.
Step 3. Use beginner-friendly resources. Apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or YouTube channels for beginners are amazing. Aim for 30 minutes of study in the morning and 30 at night.
And don't forget, build your vocabulary. Learn 10 new words a day and practice using them in short sentences. Keep a notebook or use a flashcard app like Anki.
Week 3 and 4. Focus more on listening and speaking practice. Watch kids' cartoons or short podcasts with subtitles. Repeat what you hear. This helps pronunciation and confidence.
And here's a secret, don't fear mistakes. Make them. That's how you learn. Try to speak to a language partner or tutor, even if it's for just 10 minutes a day.
So let's recap. Immerse. Speak daily. Use simple resources. Build vocabulary. Listen and repeat. And most importantly, stay consistent. 1 month can make a huge difference.
Exactly. If you're listening and thinking, can I really do it? Yes, you can. 1 day at a time.
That's it for today. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's learning English, and don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time on English Express, your fast track to English fluency.
Episode title: Daily Routine, a Simple English Conversation.
Welcome back to English Express. Today, let's listen to a simple English conversation about daily routines. This will help you learn how to talk about your day in English. Let's listen. Hi John. What do you do every day?
Hi Anna, I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30. Then I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Nice. I take a shower too, and then I eat breakfast.
What do you eat?
I eat eggs and toast, and I drink coffee.
Yum. I eat fruit and drink tea.
Then I go to work at 9 o'clock. Do you go to work?
No, I study English at home.
That's great. When do you study?
I study from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Good job. After work, I go home, cook dinner, and watch TV.
Me too. I watch English videos to learn more.
Very smart. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I sleep at 10:30.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, John. Top 30 must-know English words for beginners.
Introduce essential vocabulary with simple examples.
Hello. Meaning, a greeting. Example, hello. How are you?
Yes. Meaning, to agree or say okay. Example, yes, I like apples.
No. Meaning, to disagree or refuse. Example, no, I don't want tea.
Please. Meaning, a polite word when asking. Example, please give me some water.
Thank you. Meaning, to show gratitude. Example, thank you for your help.
Sorry. Meaning, to apologize. Example, I'm sorry, I'm late.
Goodbye. Meaning, a way to say bye. Example, goodbye. See you tomorrow.
Name. Meaning, what someone is called. Example, my name is Anna.
Food. Meaning, something you eat. Example, I like Indian food.
Water. Meaning, a drink we need to live. Example, I want some water.
Help. Meaning, to give support or do something for someone. Example, can you help me?
Friend. Meaning, a person you like and trust. Example, she is my best friend.
Where? Meaning, to ask about a place. Example, where is the bus stop?
What? Meaning, to ask for information. Example, what is your name?
When? Meaning, to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday?
Me. Meaning, talking about yourself. Example, I am happy, give it to me.
You. Meaning, talking to someone else. Example, you are my teacher.
Eat. Meaning, to put food in your mouth and swallow. Example, I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Go. Meaning, to move or travel somewhere. Example, I go to school every day.
Come. Meaning, to move towards someone or a place. Example, please come here. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who's learning English. And don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time on English Express, your fast track to English fluency.